In the previous episode, Kate and Christopher figured out that if the red car travels more miles in the same amount of time as the blue car, then it will be faster. In this episode, they gain an understanding of why that works by acting out races with their hands.
So that thing you're doing with your hands, can you imagine the same idea with the races? You can each do this with your hands. If one person, you're going to fish at the same time, one's going 50 meters, but the other one's going 25. And you'd have to stop at the same time. What'd you notice?
Then I noticed my left hand has to go faster.
Right here.
Say this is the finishing line.
Okay, so it's 50 meters, 25 meters.
Say my left hand is the Lamborghini.
Okay.
Left hand.
Okay.
Right hand.
So they finish at the same time, but your outside hand is moving faster.
Went faster.
When only changing the distance, what did you figure out about how to make the red car go slower than the blue car?
This is the Lamborghini's endpoint, and for this one, let's make it blue because this is the Ferraris. This is the Lamborghinis. So the Ferrari.
Wait, you can do it.
The Ferrari has less of a distance, but they have to reach at the exact same time. So I'm going to do like a pink for here. They'd have to...
You can do both.
They'd have to go like that, but because... And let's make this like a purple. So... They're going to both hit... Both... finish at same time. So they're both going to finish at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
And if they both finish at the same time, and say this is like 20 miles and this is 28.
Okay.
If they went at the same speed,
Okay.
then they would both of them would hit these two at the exact same these lines at the same time. But the Ferrari's finish is right here, so they wouldn't end at the same time. The
Where's the
Lamborghini would
Lamborghinis?
still have to keep going. The Lamborghini would have to go like this, all the way up.
Okay.
So, Kate, what do you think about his idea about knowing why the red car went slower?
Like, if the red car was like here, at like, they were both like at 1 minute.
Okay.
Wait. One minute.
Okay.
And then like the Lamborghini was here and they were both at 1 minute. See, it's already ahead of it.
Okay.
Kate and Christopher reflected on some important ideas. Christopher imagined two cars that are traveling different distances, 28 miles and 20 miles. Christopher showed how the car traveling 28 miles has some extra distance to cover. For the two cars to finish at the same time, the extra distance has to fit into the same amount of time. So the car going 28 miles has to go faster to cover that extra distance. Kate also made an important discovery. She said that even after 1 minute, the car traveling the greater distance is already ahead of the other car. In the next lesson, Kate and Christopher will explore different ways to make the cars go the same speed.